So once again, good morning everyone. This is exercise 13A and we are doing unitary method. Fine. So in the next class we have solved question 1 to 9. So we are gonna start with question 10 in this video. But before starting the question number 10, I'd like to tell you a very important thing that today I will give you the holiday homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Up, along with holiday homework, you are given now. Let us start question 10. Question 10 is saying if it has rained 276 centimeter in 3 days, how many centimeter of rain will fall in 1 week? So write in 3 days, rain is equal to 276 centimeter. So in 1 day, rain is equal to 276 divided by 3. 276 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 twos are 6. 92 centimeter. Okay, 92 centimeter. Now what are you going to do? This is the rain for 1 day. So you have to find rain in 7 days. So in 7 days, rain is equal to 92 into 7. 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 9 the 36, plus 1 30, 60, 63, plus 1 64. So 644 centimeter. Okay. Is it clear? $644 This is the rain in 7 days. Assume that rain continues to fall with at all same rate. Okay, so this question is done. Now let us do the next question. Cost of 10 kg of wheat is rupees 180. What is the cost of 18 kg of wheat? So this is also a very simple kind of question. So write 10 kilogram of wheat is equal to rupees 180. So 1 kg of wheat is equal to 180 upon 10 means rupees 18. This is the cost of 1 kg of wheat. So you have to find 18 kg of wheat. So 18 kg of wheat cost is equal to 18 into 18. The cost of 1 kg of wheat into 18. Okay. So now solve it and tell me the answer. So the right answer was 18 into 18 is equal to 324. Okay. Now let us do the next question, which says 10 pence. Rohit buys 10 pence for rupees 120 and Manoj buys 14 pence rupees 168. Who got the pence cheaper? Okay, so Rohit buys 10 pence for rupees 150. So cost of 1 pen by Rohit is equal to rupees 150 divided by 10, so rupees 15. So Rohit buys 1 pen for rupees 15. Okay, means the cost of pen that Rohit buys is rupees 15. And on the other hand, Manoj buys, sorry, let me correct it. Manoj buys 14 pens for rupees 168. So cost of 1 pen by Manoj is equal to 168 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. Okay, 12 rupees. So Manoj has bought a pen for rupees 12 and Rohit has bought a pen for rupees 15. Okay, so who has bought the pen cheaper? Can you tell me who has got the pen cheaper? Okay, question 11 has two parts. So let us now do second part of question 11. It is saying what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 432. So what quantity of wheat can we purchase for rupees 432? So quantity of wheat purchased in rupees 432 is equal to, now the price of 1 kg of rupees is 18. So just divide 432 by 18 and you will get the answer. Now tell me the answer. So quantity of wheat purchased in rupees 432 is 24 kilogram. Is it clear? Now back to the next question. We were fine. I was asking you that Manoj has bought a pen for rupees 12 and on the other hand Rohit has bought a pen for rupees 15. So who has got the pens cheaper? Can you answer me? Rohit has got the pens cheaper or Mohan? Tell me fast. Cheaper. You have to tell cheaper. Who has got the pens cheaper? Of course, Manoj, not Rohit. Everybody is answering me, Rohit. Rohit has got a pen for rupees 15 and Manoj has got a pen for rupees 12. So Manoj has got the pen cheaper because Manoj has paid less money than Rohit. Okay, so Manoj has got the pen cheaper. Next question. A tree 24-meter high cast a shadow of 15-meter. At the same time, the length of shadow casted by some other tree is 6 meter. Find the height of the tree. So a tree whose height is 24-meter is casting a shadow of 15-meter. So 24-meter high tree casts shadow is equal to 15-meter. So if the tree would be 1 meter high, So 1 meter high tree will cast shadow 15 upon 24 meter. Okay. Then the question is saying, at the same time, the length of the shadow casted by some other tree is 6 meter. So if some other tree, the shadow is 6 meter, then what is the height of the other tree? Okay, so what we have to do is height, we will write height of the tree who is, yeah, which is casting shadow, which is casting shadow 6 meter is equal to, you just divide, because if the tree is 1 meter high, it will cast the shadow 15 upon 24 meter. So just divide 6 by 15 upon 24. Okay, 15 upon 24. Find the answer. So write 6 into 24 upon 15. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So 24 into 2 upon 5, 48 upon 5. 5 nines are 45, 3 carry, 5 6 are 39.6 meter. This is the answer. So height of tree is 9.6 meter. Okay. The next question is, a loaded truck travels 18 kilometers in 25 minutes. Okay, 18 kilometers in 25 minutes. So write, first of all, write in 25 minutes, truck travels 18 kilometers. So in 1 minute, truck will travel 18 upon 25 kilometers. Okay. So if the speed remains same, how far does it travel in 5 hours? So in 5 hours, first of all, you have to find that how many minutes are there in 5 hours, because here we are doing the question in minutes. Okay, so because in 1 minute truck will travel 18 upon 25 kilometers, so how many minutes are there in 5 hours? So in 5 hours, 5 into 60 minutes are there, means 300 minutes are there. Okay, so now you write in 300 minutes, truck will travel is equal to 18 upon 25 into 300. Now solve this and write your answer. Let's see whose answer is. So in 1 minute, truck will travel 18 upon 25 kilometers. So in 5 hours, first we have to find out that how many minutes are there in 5 hours. So 5 multiplied by 60 is equal to 300 minutes. Okay, then we have to find that if in 1 minute truck is traveling 18 upon 25 hours, then in 300 minutes truck will travel 18 upon 25 into 300. So just do a little bit of calculation and you will get the answer 216 kilometers. Fine. So this is all for today because there were this was the last question. Thank you everyone.